Heavy?
No, it's not.
No?
Look, I could do it. I could lift it up with one hand.
Let's try.
Look,
Try it. Yeah. Alright guys, check this out. Wonder what that is. Look at this. It's like oil leaking off the rim. So I look on the wheel well. Check out. It's just all splattered everywhere. So we're gonna go check this out, see what's behind this this wheel, and find out why it's leaking like that. Check that out, guys. Oh my god. It looks like mud and oil. It's all over inside the wheel. I'm gonna have to clean this off. So, look at that. On the inner tie rod, there's a bunch of grease. On the speed sensor. And in the caliper, there's lots. Looks like to me, is this outer CB boot is shot. Something is cracked in here. That's open. So we'll check that out, see what's going on. I think right there. Oh yeah, it's ripped right there, guys. So it's the CB axle boot, guys. It's right there. I could see it. I could put the screwdriver in there. Yeah, it's all over the place. It's crazy. Good thing that it did not go all the way to the rotors, you know. But that's a big mess. That's a big mess. Alright, so we're gonna have to change the whole CB axle, or maybe just the CB boot. Alright guys, welcome back. We got the Honda Prelude up in here. Check it out.
what's up?
Oh, look at this. What are you doing? You wanna say hi? What are you gonna say to YouTubes? Scootering. Okay, I'm gonna go back to work now, okay?
Okay,
Bye-bye. Alright guys, so you can see it's all in pieces here. We're gonna changing this CB axle. Took a little bit of pictures and video earlier, and CB boot is torn apart. There's a hole somewhere, and all this grease in here is all just got blended in and splatter everywhere. I kind of give a little bit of a rinse and pressure wash this area, but it's still more grease because I had to drive home after a car wash, so there's still more grease. But it was worse than this before. It's been like this for like 3 days, and I've been driving this for like about a week now. So this is about to come off, and here we go. We'll start taking this CB axle. Put a pry bar right here, and then we're gonna pry this CB onboard boot right here. It's pretty warm. It's a hard one. Alright guys, we're just gonna have to hit it with a hammer and a extension right here. I'll put that extension right here, and then we're just gonna hit it. Alright guys, this should be ready to come off.
Ready, set, come on.
Just like
Whoa.
that.
Maybe this how long you're gonna do.
Alright, show you where the leak, the hole is. You can see when I press the boot, and then there's grease coming out right there. Basically it's right here. That's where the leak's from. So we get the new one now. Let's show you where there's the new one. We're gonna compare with the old one and then making sure it's the right one.
No, it's not.
No?
Look, I could do it. I could lift it up with one hand.
Let's try.
Like,
Try it. Yeah.
Go.
Oh, okay. It's heavy.
What do the fox?
Okay, let's put it here. Come here. Bring it here.
Where'd you put it?
Right here. To the old one.
Okay.
You're gonna compare.
Which one is more dirty?
Which one do you like? The clean one or the dirty one?
The clean one.
Clean one. Alright, so here we go. Looks good so far.
Okay, I'm gonna try this up.
The ring here is a little thicker than the old one, so hopefully that's not gonna have an issue. Oh yeah, the boot in this one is ripped. The boot in this onboard boot is ripped as well. So looks good to me. It looks the same. Let's install it.
Let's see which one's more cleaner.
Not in here. Make sure it's all the way in. Go double check. Yeah, need more. Has to be all the way in. Alright guys, I got everything back together now. That was a little struggle putting the CV axle in all the way in. Okay, so little struggle there, but everything is torqued down. Our tie rod, upper ball joint, calipers torqued down. All the ABS harness and the hose is all screwed down. It's not gonna move. So while I was working on this, I found another problem. There's a little noise on the upper control arm here. So what you do is find out the problem is a bar down on top of the lower control arm, right there, and then you just gonna move the pry bar up, and you can tell the ball joint down there is not moving. You're gonna have to hear it. There's no noise down there, but the noise is up here on the control arm. Here we go. I'm gonna move this pry bar up again. Could be that bushing or this bushing right here. Like the upper ball joint is tight. When I touch it, it's not moving. So just to make sure that everything is super tight, you're gonna have to tighten all those bolts up there, and then this one. But this one is done. But to me, I think I need a new upper control arm. I don't want to diagnose anymore. I know the noise is up here. Just to get it done with, just change the upper control arm, brand new. That noise will be gone. So that's gonna be the next video, changing the upper control arm. And that's it, guys. That's it. Make sure to subscribe, like this video. We're gonna do more videos on DIY on this Prelude. So stay tuned for the next video, upper control arm replacement. And Jasmine is gonna say bye.
Bye bye.
And that's it, guys.
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching, and
Subscribe.
I'll see you again.